IT services from a 360-degree perspective. What do users expect? That is going to impact IT services. What does business expect? That is going to impact IT services. And of course, whatever is happening in the technology world, that is going to impact IT services. So if I start from the technology world, we have already talked a lot about it, so I don't have to spend too much time on it. But I shudder to think of software-defined, software-driven data centers and networks. You know, it suddenly took me back 20-25 years ago when the concept of virtual memory came up, and programmers made a big mess about allocating memory, not freeing it, putting it in wrong places and stuff like that. Created a lot of work for IMS guys in managing servers. So I can think of same programmers, or maybe the next generation programmers writing a lot of code about allocating CPUs, virtual servers, virtual networks, virtual circuits, virtual storage, whatever you can virtualize. And then there will be a new generation of infrastructure management people who will go and manage whatever is happening because of these programs. So I think it is going to have a big impact on the IT services. The whole concept about Internet of Things, wearable computing, is going to bring in the data from myriad ways, and people will expect that it is processed and something sensible is made out of it. So again, it will have a big impact on the IT services. In terms of business expectations, if you look at all the hype which is there on cloud, many times businesses think that once you put it in cloud, it's going to be managed free of cost. There is no cost of operation. But we have found out for many of our customers who moved into AWS and so on, we did a very detailed analysis of which activities are there, what is not required to be done, what goes down, and we found that it is not completely eliminated. It does go down quite a lot, but still there are a lot of activities which continue to be performed.